Hey, quiz lovers! Welcome to Paw Quiz, the home of fun choices, magical challenges, and endless imagination. Here, every quiz is an adventure waiting for you to jump in. From Would You Rather games to emoji puzzles, food battles, movie mysteries, animal fun, fantasy house building, and so much more. There's always something new to explore. Behind the scenes, our awesome Paw Quiz team works every single day to bring you fresh, colorful, and super exciting videos. We use pro tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop to make sure every frame is bright, smooth, and full of magic. Whether you're guessing, choosing, building, or discovering, every quiz here is made to spark your imagination and bring a smile to your day. So, if you love fun challenges and playful adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and come back every day, because Paw Quiz always has a brand new adventure waiting just for you. Thanks for watching, and get ready for your next adventure. Starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go!